Okay, go.
Okay, you guys, I'm going to explain to you a little bit about what chromatography actually is. First of all, it's used to separate a mixture and to identify different components. So here today, let's look at these. We have different solvents, which is going to vary here, okay, because we have water, we have the 15:2 ratio solvent, and we also have two 1:1:1 solvents. Those are actually your different variables. You have your stationary phase, which is the actual card. And each one of these cards have coding on them and dots, so that's actually your stationary, okay? The mobile phase is going to be the different solvents at the bottom. Alright, so what's going on here on a molecular level, the different dyes are used as the analytes. We're separating the compounds in those dyes. Depending on where those components go, depends on the polarity, okay? So here, like for instance, for this one, you can see that some of the dye is moving further to the bottom, which means that it may be closer in polarity to the actual solvent. And to this one, you have some of the dyes moving closer to the top, which means it's in closer polarity to the actual card. So what's making it different here is the different affinities and different polarity of the different dyes, the different components in the dyes, and they're either choosing the card or they're choosing the solvent, okay? And that's basically what we have going on today. And now we're going to talk about
the polarities of the dyes and of our other components. Okay, so the stationary phase is less polar. So if the dyes don't move up the paper with our solvent, which is more polar, then they're closer to the polarity of our stationary phase. But if they move up, as some of these have, then they're more polar.
Okay.
So now I'm going to talk to you about the two different kinds of phases. The first phase is going to be called stationary phase. And this is actually just going to be the PLC plate, and the substance is going to remain stationary on here. And then the next phase is going to be actually the mobile phase. And so as you can kind of see like here, the solvent is actually moving in this phase, and the dyes will be separating.
now we have CJ. You know it's Easter. Why didn't you learn your speech?
What?
It's Easter.
Okay, well, the difference in the separation of the difference in the plate.
Oh, so the different variables are the liquids.